Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got Ellie here with me. She's gonna sleep on a little bed while we film today's video, and she just woke up from a little nap. She just wanted to say hi to you guys. She's still got like eye goobers around her face. I'll pop her down. So let's get into this video. So in today's video, I want to talk about some of the best understated handbags out there at the moment, just because I've noticed recently a lot of talk around quiet luxury. People are gravitating towards less flashy logoed bags. I've got quite a few different bags on my list. The majority of them are very affordable or from the contemporary brands, and I just have one kind of luxury bag. But yeah, I'll go through them in order of price. I'm sure a lot of these bags you may already own in your collection, but in case you don't, or you've been eyeing it, or you haven't even heard of it, I hope this video helps you out. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I love doing videos on handbag reviews, anything fashion, luxury related. So if you guys love that kind of content, please consider subscribing. It really helps support my channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start off with the most affordable bag, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already own this bag or own multiple versions of this bag just because of how affordable and versatile it is. So it is the Uniqlo, I think it's the mini shoulder bag. So just a little sling bag like this. It does have the adjustable strap, but it's made in this really durable nylon. I actually have two of them. So I have a black one and this cream color one. So these only retail for, I think, $19.90 in Australia. So under $20 Australian dollars. And I just think that these are so, yeah, so versatile. It fits so much. You'd be very surprised. It looks like a pretty small bag, but when you open it up, because it is that nylon material, you can like easily stretch it out. It's really soft, really thin, but also durable, but you can fit so much in here. So this is a great travel bag. You can fit like a whole water bottle, like a 600ml water bottle in here. You can fit a full-sized wallet. You can fit everything that you need on a daily basis in here. You could even, like, if you have a thin cardigan, you could even roll it up and fit it in here. I've done that before and it's just worked perfectly. And it even has like little pockets on the sides here, so you can keep things a little bit more organized. There's no zipper pocket inside, but I mean, it's just like a small compartment like that, so you don't really need to be too organized. It's good that it has these little pockets, but even if it didn't, that wouldn't faze me at all. And for $20, 20 Australian dollars, I think that this is just a perfect bag. The zipper is so smooth. It's just a very versatile bag. And yeah, you can have it, make the strap shorter to have it as like a little shoulder bag, or you can wear it crossbody, which is often how I like to wear this bag. And it's just so chic. And you could also adjust it even shorter and then make it into like a really, you know, the really cool trendy bum bag. So if you made this strap shorter, it'll sit kind of across the body like that, and I think it's the perfect size for that. So yeah, these come in so many different colors. I'm pretty sure Uniqlo keep coming out with new like colors because it's so popular. And I think TikTok made this bag really popular like last year, but I just think it's such a good versatile bag. And yeah, that's why I have two of them, in case I want to wear like light colored clothes, or like with a dress I have this cream color one, and then for pretty much any other outfit, black goes with everything. So yeah, I would really yeah, highly recommend this, and you really can't go wrong. Obviously it is a very understated bag because there's no logos or anything on it. It's not like a flashy luxury bag with the monogram logo. It's just a very simple plain black nylon bag, and yeah, you really can't go wrong with $20. So the second understated handbag on my list is also very affordable, and I think a lot of you guys may already own this or you've heard about it. It kind of blew up last year, similar to the Uniqlo mini shoulder bag. This also blew up as well, and the bag I'm talking about is the Lululemon belt bag, and I absolutely love this thing. Like, this is such a good travel bag for me. So I went to Hawaii, Japan and Singapore in the past few months, and this was my go-to travel bag, my airport bag. So it's so easy. It's called a belt bag, but I don't wear it that way. I wear it more like a bum bag. So it does have an adjustable strap here, so you can make it shorter or longer, but it just goes over like that, and it just sits cross-body just like that. And I just think it's so cool. It's so chic. Like, it just goes with any outfit, especially when you go into the airport. You're just wearing very loose, baggy, casual clothes just to be comfy on the airplane. And I just think that this just makes the whole outfit so much more chic and cool. So it just swings over your shoulder like that, so it just sits across the body. And this bag, the reason why I love it so much is because it actually fits my passport. So it's got a zipper pocket at the back here. So just to keep it safe, I brought my passport here just to show you. So passport size will fit perfectly in this back pocket. So that fits in there. So you can keep that secure. So when you're at the airport, when you're about to check in, you can easily grab your passport, and it's also on your body at all times, so it's safe. It's not like in a backpack where you can't see it. This is like literally on your body, like right across your chest, so no one can ever grab it or without you seeing anyway. So the passport fits in there perfectly. And then inside, it's so like organized. Even though it's tiny, it's a really tiny bag. It's got these little mesh pockets here, like a net pocket. You can put little bits in here so you don't want them like spilling out or loose around amongst all the other things in your bag. You've got 2 other little slip pockets in here. So I also brought my AirPods here. So on the airplane, I like to have my AirPods with me. So I had that just in one of these little net pockets, and it fits perfectly in there. So there's 2 of these there, and then one larger one, and often I just have my phone in the middle, and then other little documentation or anything that I need on the airplane, like hand sanitizer, wipes, tissues, lip gloss. Everything that I need is just in here perfectly. And then a lot of the times with airplanes, like the restrictions, you can only carry like 1 carry-on luggage and then 1 handbag or a backpack. So I often have my roll-on carry-on luggage as well as a handbag. And so this would count as like a 3rd one, which sometimes like some airlines may let you get away with having this because it's so small. But in case they don't, or if it's like a budget airline, for example, you can just shove this, it just folds up perfectly, shove it in your handbag or your backpack. And it's just so easy, like because it's so small, it'll fit perfectly in there. And then when I get on the aeroplane, I just take this out and get all my essentials that I need out, like my phone and my AirPods, and then yeah, everything else is just easily, you can just pack it away very, very easily into your handbag. So that is one of the reasons why I love this. It's so like small and very unassuming, but it's just literally packs a punch, and I would highly recommend this. I'm pretty sure they've raised the price though. So Lululemon had it for, I think when I purchased it last year, it was around $40. But now I just checked on the Lululemon website in Australia, and it's $59. So it's gone up quite a bit, I think because of the popularity. But I mean, I think $60 is still pretty reasonable for a very versatile and very durable bag. It is made in that nylon texture as well. So it's just got a very small Lululemon logo there. And then you've got Lululemon on the zipper pull and also a little tab there. But other than that, it's just a plain black bum bag or belt bag. And yeah, I just absolutely love this. It also comes in like other colors as well, which I love. I was eyeing like the cream color as well, but I figured that will get really dirty. Similar to like, I already have that Uniqlo mini shoulder bag, so I don't need another cream bag. And notice that they've also come out with a shearling type bag. So it's kind of like that fur material, and I think it's got a gold zipper on it. I'm not too sure how much it is, but I will leave it linked in the description box below. That little shearling bag will be really, really cute. But yeah, I would highly recommend this black version just because it's so versatile. It's so, yeah, travel friendly. If you guys want to see a separate video on this bag as well, please let me know. Yeah, really, really love this bag. So the next handbag on this list is a little bit more expensive just because it's from a contemporary brand. And it's this little cutie here. So this is from Coach. This is the Coach Kip crossbody bag, I'm pretty sure. And it's a really cute mini bag. And I just love it because there's no logo or anything like that on it. The only logo that you have is on this tag here, so that says Coach on it, but this is removable, so if you do want that, you could take that off. And yeah, I just love just the little tiny details on it. I just love how understated this is. It's so cute. It's got like a little top handle. It's got a crossbody with an adjustable strap. You can detach the straps as well, and then you just turn it open, and inside it's just got this beautiful like linen lining with brown leather. And I just think this is so cute. It's even got like little card slots so you don't have to carry a wallet with you. It's very small, but it fits my phone, a card holder, a lip gloss, a hand sanitizer, my keys. I've done a whole separate video on this, so I will leave that in the description box below if you want to check it out or have a closer look at this. But I just, yeah, this little bag is so cute, and I just love how understated it is. So that was one of the reasons why I purchased it, because of how understated it is, but how also versatile it is. It also has a little back pocket here, so you can fit little, like even your card holder or even your phone sitting vertically, that fits in perfectly as well. So I just love how smooth this leather is, and it is a little bit scuffed just because I have used this a lot, but I mean, it's such a cute little bag, and it is made from genuine glove tanned leather, so kind of what they use on baseball mitt, that kind of leather. I just, yeah, love this so much. And I'm not too fussed that it has like little scuffs on it, just because obviously I'm not going to resell this. This is a very like everyday chuck around go-to bag. This does retail for, I'm pretty sure in Australia, it's around 400 Australian dollars. You can find this on like Farfetch or My Teresa, and it also comes in different colors. There's a really pretty like brown color similar to the brown in here. So a brown, all brown leather bag. I think it also comes in like a cream color too. So yeah, definitely check them out if you want a little bag like this. And it honestly reminds me a little bit, or gives off the vibes of the Chanel Square Mini, just because it is that similar size, that square size. It has that little turn lock there, and yeah, you can fit quite a bit in here too. So I really love this, and it's just not as flashy as the Chanel Square Mini. So if you want a very understated but cute bag, definitely check this out. I just love the little top handle too. So the next understated bag on my list is also from a contemporary brand, and it is the Longchamp Epure XS crossbody bag, and I love this so much. I just can't get over how cute it is. If you guys are familiar with Longchamp, you know the Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags, the very classic totes from Longchamp. The leather flap, this mimics that exactly. It's so cute, and I have done a video on this as well, so I will leave that in the description box below. I picked this up when I went to Hawaii on my honeymoon last year, and I've just been in love ever since. I purchased it for, I think it was around like, after conversion, it was around like 350 Australian dollars, but in Australia it's around 550 or around the $500 mark, which I still think is reasonable considering it is an all leather bag. The interior is this beautiful leather suede material, and it is really spacious. You can fit your phone in here, you can fit a card holder, even a compact wallet would fit, and it is quite wide, so you can fit quite a few things, and it's got a really cute button snap closure. So just like the tote bags with the flap, the brown leather flap on the front, it just mimics it so perfectly, and it's so cute. So this is a crossbody bag, so I do wear it as a crossbody. You can make it a little bit shorter to wear it on the shoulder, so it does have an adjustable buckle there, but it is not removable, which is okay. I'm completely fine with it, but this color is just perfection. Like literally perfection. This brown cognac color just goes with everything, even if you're wearing black, if you're wearing browns, if you're wearing creams, if you're wearing like a summer dress. I wore this all over summer, and it's just perfect. It just goes so well with like a cute summer dress. It just gives a very effortless look, and yeah, it's very durable. You can even wear it in the rain because it's not like that vachetta leather like from Louis Vuitton. You don't have to worry about it too much. It's like the really nice grained calfskin leather. It just has Longchamp embossed at the back there. You probably can't see that just there. But yeah, I just love the look of this, and it's such a cute mini bag. Very understated as well. The only logo you have is the Longchamp logo just there and the button there. So it's kind of like those bags that if you know, you know. Like if you're familiar with the Longchamp tote bags, you're familiar with this leather flap on the front of the tote bags, and Longchamp making this into a handbag is just so genius. Like, oh, I just love this so much. It's so cute. So yeah, I would highly recommend this bag. It is, yeah, around the 500 Australian dollar mark, which is still pretty reasonable for a full leather handbag from a contemporary brand, and it's so cute. So yeah, the Longchamp Epure XS crossbody is definitely on this list. The next bag on this list is from a luxury brand, and I just love how understated this is for a luxury brand. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you may know what this is. So it is the Givenchy Antigona in the mini size, and this bag is literally my ride or die. This is just absolutely beautiful, and I just love how chic it is with the edges and like the lines. Even the size is perfect. Even though it's a mini bag, it technically is more like a small medium bag in my opinion because it fits so much. But I just love how chic it is. It's all black with silver hardware, and the only logo you have is there in silver. It's actually like silver metal like stuck onto the bag, and I just love how, yeah, understated it is. Like you don't know the bag unless you know luxury bags, and yeah, that's what I love about it. I have done a full video on this as well. I've gone through like the pros and cons, an overview, what fits inside, so I'll leave that in the description box below as well. And yeah, I just think this is the best understated, quite luxury handbag you could get right now, and it currently retails, I'm pretty sure, for around 2,500 Australian dollars. but you can definitely find this on the pre-loved market for a hell of a lot less. I'm pretty sure when I saw on a couple of resale websites, it retails from anywhere from like $1,200 to $1,800, just because it is quite an old style. I think this was like popular back in the day, like a decade ago. This was all the rage. Everyone had this bag, but everyone's quite over it now. And I think it's just because of either the shape of it or because of how understated it is. In the past couple of years, everyone's been gravitating more towards logo bags, like logo mania. Everyone wanted like a big logo bag or the big trends. And yeah, everyone just kind of like forgot about the Antigona, but I've never forgotten about the Antigona. And I know a lot of you guys out there also love the Antigona as well. You guys let me know in my videos and on my Instagram that you love this bag too. And yeah, there's a really big reason why it's still really popular amongst the luxury community. It is such a great bag and it just fits so much as well. So the zipper is so beautiful, like it's so smooth and just really relaxing to zip and unzip. And inside it's really spacious. I do have a Samorga organizer in here, and I just love the pop of pink that it has, because you guys know this is like a bottomless pit, and it's like a dark bottomless pit because it's all black. But yeah, I just have this pop of pink just to keep it a bit more organized and to see everything inside. And it's got a little water bottle holder, which I love as well. So this actually fits a tiny water bottle. So definitely check that video out if you want to have a closer look at what fits inside this bag too. So yeah, those are all the understated handbags that I have in my collection that I think are perfect for this whole quiet luxury trend, or just to have a handbag that's very understated but also very versatile. I'm all about versatility, durability, and getting the cost per wear down on your handbags. Please let me know if you guys have any other quiet luxury or understated handbags that you'd like to share with us. Please leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support me and help others discover my channel too. But until next time, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!